Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So folders are the foundation of a clean Goodnotes system. If you set them up correctly from the start, you will never lose your notes again. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to create and organize folders in Goodnotes the right way. So first thing, create a new folder. So open Goodnotes like this, tap new and then tap folder. Okay, enter the name, for example, school, work, personal, and then tap create. Your folder is ready and this is your main category. So create subfolders. So this is important. So open the folder, tap new folder again. So as I said, create subfolder like English, math, projects. This builds structure inside structure. Okay, so move notebooks into folders like long press a notebook, for example, if you have a notebook here, and tap move and select the destination folder, or drag and drop into folder. Everything should have a place. Use simple folder systems to avoid overcomplicating, for example, structure like school, English, science, work, meeting, plans, personal. So keep it simple and clear. Okay, too many folders equal confusion. You can also rename folders clearly, for example. Okay, so use clear names, be consistent, and for example, English 2026 or lesson plans. Okay, because clarity saves time. You can also reorganize when needed. So move folders anytime, merge or split categories. You can also your system should evolve with you. So create an archive folder, add a folder called archive, move old or complicated notebooks there. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.